Hi there. Today's lesson is about statements in the present progressive. Oh, just a minute. The phone is ringing. Hello? Anna? Where are you? You're waiting for the bus? Can you call me later? I'm teaching now. I'm teaching a lesson on the present progressive. Okay, bye. Sorry about that. We use the present progressive for actions in progress now. For example, the phone is ringing. You're waiting for the bus. And I'm teaching are all actions in progress. For present progressive affirmative statements, use a form of the verb be, am, is, or are, and the ing form of the verb. For example, I am working. He is working, or you are working. In speaking, we often use contractions. For example, I'm working, he's working, or you're working. For negative present progressive statements, add the word not. For example, I am not sleeping, he is not sleeping, or you are not sleeping. In speaking, we often use contractions. For example, I'm not sleeping, he's not sleeping, or you're not sleeping. We can also contract is not as isn't and are not as aren't. For example, we can say, he isn't sleeping, or you aren't sleeping. But be careful. You can contract I am to make I'm, but you can't contract am and not. I'm not sleeping. Not. Oh, now Anna is texting me. Be patient, Anna. I'm still teaching.